Hey, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the south high tunnel, and we're going to remove this fabric, and I'm going to close everything up and let it heat up for a little while, because I'm going to move some of my stuff down here, like my out of the greenhouse. I got some broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and something else I want to move down here and put down here. I'm talking about the trays, but we need to get this out. Let the soil start heating up pretty good. I'm gonna run a sprinkler system down the middle, and we'll have to do the amendments and all that stuff. And about probably about less than a week or a week, we'll be planting tomatoes in there. Just gonna start out with a few and get them planted, and then probably another, whenever our tomatoes start getting big enough to plant, we'll start putting them in here heavy. I've got a few that's ready to go now, so I'm gonna hook a rope to it. We'll hook it to the side by side, and usually we use the tractor. We're trying something a little different today, and we're gonna pull this fabric out, and we'll just lay it up here in the grass, because there's another week we'll be pulling it back in, hopefully. All right, so I'm gonna get the rope, get it tied up, and then we'll start pulling. Okay, we're gonna start pulling.
Yeah.
Let's be honest with you, after the snake incident last year, we're a little nervous. All right, proceed.
And video. Yes, we do.
All right. Not too bad, really. Got wood chips right there. I'll spread them out. Looks really good, actually, don't it? All right, I'm gonna close these sides up and these doors, and we'll let this thing build a little heat. It's already hot in here. So let's do that real quick. I'm back here. We cleaned this mess up with about 3 videos ago. Our camera died, or my camera died, and I never did finish showing you what we did. But we got it all cleaned up and mowed down. We still got to do some detail mowing, but we planted 2 pecan trees. One right here. And like I said, it looked like a stick, but it's starting to put some growth out. And it is a caddo. I guess that's how you say that. Then we put that peach tree out right there. I don't remember what kind it was, do you? Is it Alberta?
I think it's an Alberta.
Yeah, it's an Alberta. It had some blooms on it. I mean, it seems to be doing good. I've got a hole right here I got to fill up. We'll get some mulch. I might do that real quick while I got the TYM back here. Throw a little wood chips there.
Ooh, went in a hole.
This is a Lakota. I hope it's alive.
I do too.
Can we save our receipt on this?
I hope so.
I think it's still alive.
I think it's doing something right here.
I don't know. Don't look like it.
There's a little something right there and right there coming up.
Yeah, it's still alive. It's got some green on it.
Yeah.
We lost some of our little apple trees up there. It's probably about 2 years old, wasn't it? I don't know why it died, but it just died all of a sudden. So I don't know what to do with this. Probably need to replace it. We got another one up there that died last year we need to replace. I hope he's doing okay. All right. So potatoes are finally starting to come up. Carrots are coming up. We got to do our raised fish, our raised beds. I was going to put some more beets and stuff out right now, but couldn't get the John Deere started. Battery's dead. I'm gonna check on the battery. Gotta go to Walmart. And okay, let's put some wood chips while we're down here. We got time, don't we?
Yeah.
Won't take 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go crank up the TYM and get a load of wood chips and kind of fill these little holes up. Because I'm gonna start mowing this with my lawnmower. So let me go get that and we'll show you that real quick.
I think you need to get one more right through there.
settle some, so I'll put a little on there. It's better already though, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Got a couple more holes over here. I think we'll bring the tiller down here and till that first, and then we'll smooth it out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We do a live every Monday night at 7:30. Usually, we was sick last week. Of course, time you're seeing this, we already done one. So, week 4 last week was sick. So, appreciate everybody watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down there in the farm in the next video.